Good morning, students. Let we see the lesson third, continents of the world. Now let us see. Earth is our home. The total land on the earth is formed of 7 continents of various sizes. Each continent has a different number of countries. The 7 continents of the world are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia. Now first we will see the Asia. Asia is the world's largest continent in size and population. The world's two most populous countries, China and India, are in Asia. Asia has the highest point on earth, the peak of Mount Everest, which is in the Himalayas. Asia is the birth of great ancient civilization, Hindu civilization, Chinese civilization, and Mesopotamian civilization. This is the picture of Himalayas and the Great Wall of China. Some other countries in Asian continents are Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Pakistan, Maldives, Philippines, Afghanistan, Thailand and Indonesia. India. India is our country. India is known as the land of unity in diversity. As people from different religions, languages, cultures and live united. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. New Delhi is the capital of India. India has several historical monuments. Taj Mahal is one such monument. It is situated in Agra on the banks of river Yamuna. Taj Mahal is built completely using white marble stone. This most beautiful monument is recognized as one of the 7 wonders of the world. The other historic monuments in India include Gangaikonda Cholapuram in Tamil Nadu, St. George Fort. It is in Chennai, and Gateway of India, India Gate, Sanji Stupa. It is also historical monuments in India. Africa. Africa is the second largest continent of the world. The world's longest river, the Nile, and the world's largest desert, the Sahara, both are home in Africa. More than 50% of world's gold and diamonds come from the mineral-rich continents of Africa. Some countries in African continents are Sudan, Libya, Egypt, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Ethiopia and Guinea. North America. North America is entirely within the Northern Hemisphere. North America is the third largest continent by area following Asia and Africa. The largest freshwater lake, Lake Superior, is located in this continent. The Mississippi, Missouri is one of the longest rivers located in North America. The United States of America is a part of North America. Some countries in North American continents are Canada, Mexico, Nicaragua, Honduras, Cuba, Guatemala, Panama and Costa Rica. South America. South America is located mostly in the southern hemisphere with a relatively small portions in the northern hemisphere. The world's largest river is Amazon. It is the second longest river in South America. Brazil, a country in South America, is one of the largest coffee producer in the world. The Andes is one of the longest mountain range in South America. Andes is an example of fold mountain. Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak in this Andes. One of the highest volcanoes of the world, Mount Cotopaxi, is found in this continent. Some countries in South American continent are Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Paraguay, Peru, Uruguay and Venezuela. Antarctica. Antarctica is the coldest continent on Earth. It is also called the white continent or the frozen continent. Antarctica experiences half a year of sunlight and a half year of complete darkness. Penguins are found in Antarctica. There are only permanent research stations from different countries can be found there. Europe and Asia are part of the same major landmass. Europe is separated from Asia by the Ural Mountains and the Caspian Sea. The world's smallest country, the Vatican City, is in Europe. The Volga is one of the longest rivers in Europe. It is the picture of Vatican City and London. Some countries in the European continent are France, Spain, United Kingdom, Germany, Norway, Austria, Greece, Spain, Portugal and Italy. Australia. Australia is an island continent covered with unique landscape and natural wonders. The Great Barrier Reef, the pride and joy of Australia, is made up of nearly 2,500 individual reefs and visible from space. Australia includes the islands of Tasmania and numerous small islands. It is the picture of the Great Barrier Reef. The second one, the kangaroo. Thank you, students. I hope you all have understood this lesson. Thank you.